Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the daily Forex report for March 3rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed lower today, did break previous support, is moving lower, bias to the downside. If we do get a pullback, look for it to pull back to 89.48, possibly moving down to 87.78, and look for some resistance around 89.00 and look for some support around 88.25. Okay, now switching over to the Euro-USD pair. This particular pair closed higher today. We did have a good indication that it was going to do so, and it did. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways overall with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 137.98, possibly as low as 135.13. Look for some resistance around 137.36 and look for some support around 136.25. Okay, now looking at the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair closed higher today, definitely moving to the downside, bias to the downside currently. Look for it to potentially go as high as 152.13, possibly as low as 148.63. Look for some resistance around 152.00 and look for some support around 149.56. Now, switching over to the US Swiss, this pair closed lower. Biased is still to the sideways, moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 109.47, possibly as low as 106.96. Look for some resistance around 107.12 and look for some support around 106.50. Now, as far as news announcements goes, we do have the Eurozone releasing their gross domestic product at 5 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus on the fourth quarter was that it held at 0.1%. Year to date, it's showing a negative 2.1%, which is the consensus from and is the previous, so they're the same. The Bank of England has their interest rate decision at 7 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus is they're going to hold rates at 0.50%. Now, the European Central Bank has their interest rate decision at 7:45 Eastern tomorrow a.m., and the consensus is they're going to hold rates at 1%, 1.00%. So definitely keep an eye on those. We should, over the next couple of hours, what I'm looking for on the euro, on the hour time frame, we should see this market move into some consolidation over the next several hours. So looking for a counter trend trade, basically to grab market movement as the market moves back and forth over the next several hours. I do anticipate us getting that kind of action. So basically looking to make several smaller trades as the market does this sideways movement. I would suggest that you use you can use a simple moving average of the high set to say 5 periods and a simple moving average set to the low of 5 periods, and basically just trade back and forth off of that. Use a no more than a 30 pip stop loss and basically just bounce back and forth, making a profit over the next several hours right up until the pound releases their interest rate decision. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.